Oh yeah, that's much better. So we've been talking about mean. Mean is the same as average, and it's also the same as fair share. There are three terms to explain the same thing. But what does it mean? I'm going to try to demonstrate this as simply as possible. Let's say we have 4 candies, and then we had 2 friends. One friend got 3 candies, and the other friend got 1. Now, if we had distributed that candy evenly, how many candies would each friend have gotten? The best way to do that is just to take that 3, take that 1, add them all together. You have 4 candies, right? You have 2 friends. If you had distributed the candy evenly, right, each friend would have gotten 2 candies. So when you're talking about mean, average, fair share, all of them mean the same thing. If I had distributed whatever it is that you're talking about, in this case we're talking about candy, evenly, this is how much each person would get. Okay, so your guys' goal is to distribute your candy so that everyone has the same amount. But first, before we begin, Jimmy, or James, how many candies do you have, pal?
I have 1 Kit Kat.
Oh my goodness. Vladdy, how about you?
I have 3.
You have 3. Lorena?
I have 3.
3, and Shayna?
1.
Okay. Okay, everyone. Distribute your candy so everyone has the same amount. Go ahead. Okay, perfect. Now, how much does everyone have?
2.
2. Perfect. So that was pretty easy, right? Essentially what we did is we found the mean, the average. So if everyone were to get the same amount of candy, and we have 8 pieces of candy in total, then each person would get 2 pieces. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna try this again. I've added more candy, and the amounts that everyone has changed. James, how many candies do you have now, buddy?
1.
1 still. How about you, Vladdy?
I have 2.
2. How about you, Lorena?
I have 4.
How about you, Shayna?
5.
Now you guys must distribute your candy so everyone gets the same amount. Go ahead.
So Lorena gave 1 to James. Okay, Shanna gave 1 to James and to Vlad.
Okay, everyone. James, how many candies do you have?
I have 3.
How about you, Vlad?
3.
3. Lorena?
3.
Shayna. Okay, so the average or the mean here was 3 candies per person. That means that in total, if we put all of these candies in one single pile and we distributed the candies evenly among each person would get 3 candies. Now the easiest way to find the mean is to actually just add up all of the candies. So in this case, once we have all these candies added up, we have 16 candies. Now, how many people do we have in the group?
4.
4 people, exactly. So what do you think we're gonna do?
Divided by 4.
Exactly. All right, my friends, so I need you guys to distribute the 16 candies evenly amongst yourselves. Go ahead. Very nice. How many candies you got, James?
4.
Vlad?
4.
Shayna?
4.
Lorena?
4.
Ah, you see that?
In this example, each participant represents a data point. We took the total of 16 candies and we divided it evenly among each participant, aka our data points, to get our answer of 4 candies per person. I hope that makes sense.